Hi there. What I have here is a Commodore VIC-20 emulator. Um, it's another one using the VIC suite of emulators, which I can highly recommend. And the system, once again, is running Linux Mint, which I can also highly recommend. And here we have the program. And an interesting one here, something a bit unusual for a VIC-20, is this is emulating a VIC-20 with a floppy drive, the original 1540, aka the VIC-1540. So here we go. Yeah, I think it's really great being able to emulate classic old computers like this. So anyway, see you next time.